Hello, little learners. Welcome to Marsel Kids TV.
Today, we are learning about potty time. I am learning how to use the potty. To learn with me? Let us learn together. Nathan, I think I need to go potty. Good job telling me, Yanah. When you feel like you need to go, tell a grown-up right away. Now we walk safely to the potty. I can sit on the potty and try.
Yes, sometimes it works and sometimes it does not.
That's okay. I can try again later. Potty time takes patience. I can sit, take a deep breath, and wait for a little while.
That's right. No rushing. Just relax and be patient.
I'm learning, one step at a time. After potty time, we wipe carefully. Then we flush the toilet. Great job, Yanah! I did it! Now we wash our hands with soap and water. Wash, wash, wash your hands!
Clean hands keep germs away.
My hands are clean. Nathan, what if I have an accident?
It's okay, Yanah. Accidents happen when we are learning.
So I should not feel sad?
No, just tell a grown-up, clean up, and try again next time.
I can keep practicing. Let's remember potty time. Feel the need to go. Tell a grown-up. Walk safely to the potty. Sit and try patiently. Wipe and flush. Wash your hands. Great job. Let's do the potty dance.
When I feel it's potty time, I stop my play, and that's just fine. I tell a grown-up, let's go now. I can do it, yes, somehow. Potty, potty, here we go. Sit and wait, nice and slow. Wipe, flush, wash hands too. Hip, hip, hooray! Good job, you!
Today, I learned about potty time. Potty training takes practice, and that's okay. I can keep trying.
That's right. You're doing a great job.
Thanks for learning with Marsel Kids TV. Bye-bye. See you next time.
You did very well today. Thank you for learning with Marsel Kids TV. Please like and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.